how to find your Bitstamp wallet address on the Bitstamp app. In this quick video, I will show you how to find your Bitstamp wallet address on the Bitstamp app. If you're looking to receive crypto on Bitstamp, then you will need your wallet address, and it's critical to pick the correct wallet address and network, because if you make a mistake, you will risk losing your funds. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice, and I accept no liability for you losing or sending your crypto to the wrong address. And if in doubt, send a small test amount of crypto first. So I will be showing you how to do this on the basic mode of the app. If your app doesn't currently look like this, then you can flip it over by clicking on your profile in the bottom right and clicking basic. So to find your wallet address on the Bitstamp app, press the arrows button on the bottom menu in the middle, then you want to pick deposit, then you want to pick the crypto you plan to deposit by either searching or scrolling. I'm going to pick Ethereum. Some cryptocurrencies can be deposited on multiple networks, and Ethereum is one of these, which is why you see this warning, so you want to read and understand this. It's important to select the same network you are sending your crypto on, because if you select the wrong network, then you risk losing your crypto. By default, this is set to the Ethereum network. If you plan to send crypto on another network, then you can select this in the top dropdown. For example, I'm going to change this to Polygon. You will now see your deposit address for this specific crypto and network. You can copy this address with the button on the far right, or to scan the QR code, you can press the button to the left of this. If you're transferring crypto for the first time, it's always recommended to send a small test amount first, and it's always worth copying the address or scanning the QR code rather than typing it manually. Anyway, if you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe, as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're just getting started with crypto, then you may be wondering what's the difference between a coin and a token, so I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.